One of the features that I like using now that we've come to revision time of year is the Focuspad module. The Focuspad module has the icon like this, and this is an example of one that my students have already done. When the students go in, they see what they have to do, some details about it, such as word limits, and when it is then due in, they then can click Start Writing, and it will bring up basically this fairly blank window. Once I put in a heading, it's then just simply text entering. The fairly limited in the options that they can do, so that doesn't become the main focus. They can add notes in the side here, that in the end that I won't have to mark, and they can also see the questions by scrolling in the box down the side. It will save automatically, and as they type words, the word limit down the bottom will actually be updated. They can add tags to it as well, and then when they're finished they can then click Submit. For now I'll just cancel that one. As the teacher, if I go and view library, of course I don't have any posts, but for students this will show any posts that they have done. I, however, can see all of their posts and can then click on one of their essays and then read through it. And then at the bottom I can mark it and give it some feedback. It gives me the words and the word limit as well. To create one of these, all I have to do is, like most Moodle blocks, is turn the editing on, select Add an Activity, and select Focuspad. I give the Focuspad a name, and then I have to add in the question. In here I can actually add a template whereby I could put in the sort of structure I'd like the essay to have. There is actually help by clicking on the icons as well. Then I've got my due dates and times and my word limit. So I can say I want 25 words and I do want to enforce the word limit. I can again choose a grade range and a type of grade. For my examples, not achieved, achieved, merit and excellence. Do I want to email teachers? And this is one of the most important ones, is what start page do you want for students? Do you want them to see a library or them to go straight to an add post page? And now, when I display the unit, it gives us that target, type 25 words about Focuspad, and then I can start writing. Now I can come in, select my writing. I've submitted it. I cannot delete it since it's been submitted, but I can also make it public, which means students can then share their work once they've had it marked with other students, and then everyone can build up sort of some knowledge of what they're doing.